The journey of nutrition, of life itself, begins with a single decision. A choice. Today, we're going to witness something we do every day but rarely ever see, the complete digestion of a piece of fruit. Our subject is this beautiful, ripe mango. We'll follow it from the first bite to its final destination as pure energy within the human body. As she brings it to her lips, the process has already started. The sight and smell of the mango have triggered her salivary glands, preparing her mouth for what's to come. Watch closely. As she takes the bite, the journey begins. It's not just about chewing. This is the first stage of digestion. The teeth act as mechanical grinders, breaking down the fibrous fruit into smaller, more manageable pieces. Simultaneously, saliva floods the mouth. This isn't just water. It contains powerful enzymes like amylase, which immediately starts breaking down the carbohydrates, the sugars in the mango into simpler forms. The tongue works tirelessly, mixing and maneuvering the food, forming it into a neat, soft package called a bolus, ready for the next stage of its incredible voyage. The exterior is beautiful, but the true miracle is happening beneath the surface. Imagine a wave moving through the tube. Rhythmic muscle contractions squeeze just behind the food, pushing it steadily downward. Simultaneously, the stomach releases digestive enzymes, like pepsin. We'll visualize these as a green glow. Pepsin's specific job is to attack and dismantle proteins, breaking down their complex molecular chains into smaller, more usable components called peptides. While this intense chemical breakdown is happening, the stomach's physical power comes into play. It's not a static bag. It's a muscular powerhouse. The solid fruit is methodically pulverized over several hours, transforming from a recognizable food into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. After hours of churning and chemical processing, the stomach has done its job. The once solid mango is now a semi-liquid nutrient broth. The pyloric sphincter, another valve at the base of the stomach, begins to open periodically, releasing small, controlled amounts of chyme into the next stage of our journey, the small intestine. This is where the main event of nutrient absorption truly takes place. It's a massive coiled tube designed for one primary purpose: to pull every last drop of goodness from our food. Meanwhile, the liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released to emulsify fats, breaking them down into tiny droplets that enzymes can work on more effectively. It's a perfectly coordinated biochemical ballet. But the real magic of the small intestine lies in its incredible architecture. Its inner surface isn't smooth. It's covered in millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi, and the even smaller microvilli on them, increase the surface area of the small intestine to the size of a tennis court. It's a vast landscape designed for maximum absorption. Here, the final breakdown products of our mango, the simple sugars, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, are ready. Watch as this emerald energy, the very essence of the mango, is pulled through the walls of the villi. These nutrients pass directly into the dense network of capillaries just beneath the surface. From here they enter the bloodstream. The fuel has finally been delivered. The nutrient-rich blood now travels from the small intestine straight to the liver, the body's master processing plant and detoxifier. The liver sorts, processes, and distributes these newly acquired nutrients. It decides what the body needs immediately for energy and what should be stored for later. The glucose from the mango might be sent to muscles for immediate use, or stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles for a future energy demand. Vitamins and minerals are dispatched to wherever they're needed for cellular repair, immune function, and thousands of other vital processes. What was once a piece of fruit is now becoming kinetic energy, new cells, and pure vitality. Meanwhile, back in the digestive tract, the journey isn't quite over. The remaining material, mostly indigestible fiber, water, and waste products, moves from the small intestine into the large intestine. The large intestine's primary role is to absorb most of the remaining water, compacting the waste into a solid form. It's also home to trillions of gut bacteria, a complex microbiome that plays a crucial role in our health, even helping to break down some of the fiber we can't digest ourselves. After this final stage, the waste is ready for elimination. The entire process, from that first bite to the final absorption of energy, is complete. The body returns to a state of balance, fueled, repaired, and ready for the next challenge. This is the silent, beautiful, and powerful engine of human anatomy, working tirelessly for us every single moment. Thanks for watching.